I think creativity is incredibly important because it gives people a way to express themselves, not just using words. I know that sometimes people can't verbalize their feelings, their emotions, their struggles, but being creative gives them an outlet. You can create your own stories in a game that you experience and nobody else could ever have experienced. I'm Lisy Kane and I produce video games. I think the moment when I realized I loved games, my neighbor was a few years older than me and she was always showing me new games that were coming out. I went to a high school where none of my friends were going, so I didn't really have anyone to talk to. I was really scared. And The Sims came out just as I went to high school, and I really immersed myself into that, and it helped me kind of get through that time in my life. I realized that there are all these different things that games could be. I play games mainly socially and have that experience and shared moment together. Girl Geek Academy is a startup that myself and 4 other women founded to help women enter the tech scene, basically. We encourage more women to use technology, build websites, create startups, and basically help reshape the internet. Women are able to add to this culture and add to the game development library that we're seeing. They're creating really unique games because they have this different voice. And that goes not just for women, it goes for people of color, it goes for everything. It's really awesome to see. It means these unique stories are being told all the time. To be able to facilitate that and give people that light bulb moment, basically. Made them realize that the industry is for them, that they can do it, that they can actually achieve everything that they think they can achieve. And giving that to people has been an amazing experience. I definitely think that we're seeing a lot of people figuring out how to make games now. It's pretty wild because it means that everyone's getting a chance to tell their story. We're in the era where game designers are starting to realize that they need to have multiple different skills. So they'll be like, I also dabble in 2D art, I also dabble in programming. And I think we're gonna see better games created because of these multifaceted people. One of the biggest elements for a successful collaboration is communication. And a lot of us are, really comfortable in having honest conversations with each other. And I think that's where great creativity comes from. Challenging the status quo, it's really about asking questions. It's always about challenging the people that I work with, challenging other companies in my industry. So it means calling people out, challenging people on their ideas, on what they think is the right path. I don't want to read the same book over again. I don't want to see the same film. I want to have a choice. And I think having diverse game makers means we get to see diverse games. The future is yours, make it.